everyone, my name is Jada and today I'm going to be making slime for you guys. So basically, this first slime is this Elmer's glue and Tide slime. I actually came across this slime not on the internet but by myself. I was testing out different slime recipes and this is what I started to experiment and stuff with washing detergents because I heard that you can make slime with washing detergents and glue, so yeah. Now I'm just going to, I have my clear glue right here. Then I'm going to get about half a teaspoon of Tide detergent, and you have to use Tide. I think you can use Gain, I'm not very sure, but that's like a fabric softener, but I don't know, I've never used Gain in my life, but I don't know, I think it probably worked. I've tried it out, but it didn't work out for me, but maybe it'll work out for you, because maybe you're just the key to slime. So yeah, now I'm just going to mix this up. It's kind of weird I'm using my finger mixing this, but it's just because when I use Q-tips, like all the cotton stuff gets stuck to my slime and then it makes my slime all weird and stuff. So I'm just using my hand. And I don't have any cotton stuff from the Q-tips on my hand, so that's good. Some people call Q-tips cotton swabs because they like swab your ears or something. Like they swab stuff out or in. And they also they have cotton on them, so that's probably why they call them cotton swabs. Anyway, this is not like a science lesson or anything. So yeah. So basically it takes like 1 minute to make this kind, and it's super duper cool and fun to play with and stretch. And also at the end of this video I'm going to be doing an ASMR for you guys, and it's super duper cool, super duper fun, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy the ASMR at the end of this video. Ta-da! Let's see if it's pokey. It's kind of pokey, not very, but kind of. So I'm just going to put this Tide back in its container. No, I'm not using the big Tide thing. I put some Tide in this little pink thing, and I'm using this pot to cover it because I can't find the cap to this. Anyways, so now that I've done this slime, I'm going to put it way to the side right here. I'm going to make the shampoo one. So basically for the shampoo one, I'm going to get some shampoo. And the shampoo has to be like kind of like jelly. So this is what shampoo I'm using. Then I'm going to get some soap. I'm using soft soap. You guys can use whatever soap you want. But this is what soap I'm using because it's like the best soap to make slime with. You can actually make slime with just this soap. I'm using soft soap. I'm actually going to get a Q-tip to mix this, and I'm going to attempt to get all this stuff off of it, the cotton stuff. You know what, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to break it off. See, I broke it. Ta-da! I'm just going to mix those two things together. Just like so. Just like this. Sorry for that background noise. It's my sister. She has her music jamming while she's getting ready with her makeup. Because we're going to the fair. Today we are going to the fair. We're going to meet Sky Jackson, and we're also going to go on a whole bunch of fun rides by Giant Pickles, and yeah, it's gonna be I'm just joking. We are going to have such a fun time. Wait, what does it mean? Anyway, so basically, I'm just going to be mixing this up just like that, and once it's like this, like my desired consistency that I want, I'm just going to take this Q-tip out of the scene. Boom! I'm going to start playing with it with my hands. Here's like, look at my neck blow. Okay. I really like this slime. It's nice and fun. Anyways, it's really dirty, my counter. I'm going to have to clean this all up. But yeah, so I'm just going to wash my hands and yeah. Okay, my counter should be pretty clean. It's pretty clean. It's clean enough for me. Probably not for my mom, but it's good for me. Now time for the ASMR. So, if you guys just came for the poking noises and stuff, then I hope you enjoy. So basically this is my slime. It might look like a weird, muddy, gross color on camera, but it's actually a very nice and pretty magenta color in real life. My bowl literally just fell into those bubbles in my sink. But who cares? It's fair night. Okay, time for the actual walking. Guys, this slime stretches so much. Guys, I don't even know if you guys can see it, but it was like so stretchy. Like it was stretching so far. I really want to have a sponsored video, but probably don't have any sponsored videos because I do not. You know what I mean? Okay, I'm not very famous for my videos. Okay, everyone, so I'm pretty much done with that. Watching this video, if you are watching. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up button. If you like this video, make sure to hit that bell button right there down below to get all the like notifications on whenever I make new videos, or yeah. So basically, yeah, I hope you guys have a nice day or night. So yeah, good night. Anyway, okay, bye.